Hello, young chemists. Delfelt here to repeat the lab or the demo that I did today. Today's Thursday, the 8th of April. So if you were in class today and you saw the demo, then you're good. You don't need to watch this. No need to see it again. But if you missed it today, then this video is for you. It's similar to what we did in yesterday's video with the blue liquid and the aluminum, but it involves some different stuff. Okay, so first thing I want to do is to show you these. I got two liquids in the pipette. In one pipette, I have this orange stuff right here. That's iron nitrate. So this is page 3 of that lab document, Conservation of Matter Lab, or the Law of Conservation of Matter Lab. There's the orange liquid. This is iron nitrate, just an orange watery liquid. And then over here, I have sodium hydroxide. Okay, looks like water, but it isn't. Sodium hydroxide, and then iron nitrate. So we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this on the scale to see how much mass we have to begin with. I got it in this bag like we did the other video, and we want to see how it starts out. Right now I have 18.1 grams. 18.1 grams, that's our mass before mixing. So that top box you should fill in 18.1 grams. Now I'm going to take these out and we're going to mix them. So again, what you should notice is we have an orange liquid here. There's nothing floating around in it. It's just a normal looking orangey liquid. And then we have a clear liquid. All right. I'm going to move these up. Here we go. All right, how beautiful is that? So what we have now, we still have some clear liquid you can see down on the bottom, but floating up all in there is this like orange chunky stuff. And that chunky stuff, that's solid. That's solid particulate. That's solid stuff. It's almost like a powder or like little teeny tiny flakes of stuff that are floating around in there. Now if I put it up against a white surface, maybe you can see a little bit better. You can see these tiny little speckles. Those are solid pieces, and those weren't there to start. So you want to note that change that you observed in the observation section. You want to indicate that you saw these random little brownie looking fleck things floating around in there because those weren't there to start. And the other thing that was pretty obvious was the change in color. And I'm looking at my scale. I got the same mass as we started, 18.1 grams, which is perfect. So mass before, 18.1, mass after, 18.1. And that's how it ought to be. All right, so do your best to answer that question down toward the bottom saying, did this follow the law of conservation of matter? And then get it turned in. Let me know if you need some help.